Trump administration is planning to send back hundreds of Guatemalan children in U.S. government to their country of origin, what sources have described to me as an unprecedented move. Now, the children that we're talking about here are those who arrived to the United States unaccompanied, meaning that they, for example, arrived to the U.S. southern border without a parent or legal guardian. When that happens, they are put in the care of the Health and Human Services Department. And while they're in care, officials work to place them with U.S.-based family members while those children go through their immigration proceedings, and an immigration judge determines whether they are afforded special protections in the United States. What this program does, however, according to the sources I've talked to, is send back more than 600 children who have been identified to their country of origin, in this case, Guatemala. Now, according to sources, these children are believed to not have a parent in the United States, though they may have another family member. They do have family in Guatemala. Now, this has raised alarm among advocates who work with these children because they say that the United States law does provide special protections for these children and that the process does need to run its course. By plucking them out of government custody, they may not get protections that they might otherwise be afforded. They also note that in some cases, children are fleeing conditions at home. For example, with their parents or because their parents can't keep them safe from worsening conditions at home. So there are multiple factors that play into this, which is stirring concern. Now, in some cases, there are children who do choose to voluntarily depart the United States, but even in those cases, immigration judges are involved to help a child understand what decision they are making to leave the United States.
Un poderoso terremoto sacudió el este de Afganistán el domingo, matando a cientos de personas e hiriendo a miles. Según el vocero del gobierno talibán, el sismo de magnitud 6 afectó a pueblos y aldeas cerca de la frontera con Pakistán. Equipos de rescatistas se apresuran para hallar a víctimas enterradas bajo los escombros. El terremoto afectó un estrecho de provincias montañosas cuyas comunidades ya enfrentaban hambre y crisis económicas. El Servicio Geológico de Estados Unidos indica que casi 500,000 de personas probablemente sintieron el sismo.